Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And HP Victus sleep mode is not working. So how to fix? So first click to check the sleep mode setting. So click to start, click on setting. After that click on system and then click to battery and power and battery, and then find out the screen, sleep, hidden net, timeout. You can see power, sleep button, control. Okay, then extract this and always select to sleep. Okay, all closing list and PC, pressing the keyboard or press to sleep only. Okay, and then all select the sleep and then click to close it. Next, check up the fast startup. So click to start, type control panel and then open it, and then click to select by category, and then click to scan and hardware sound. Okay, and then click to power options, then click to choose what the power button. Okay, choose what power button to do, then click it, and then always uncheck turn on the fast boot. Okay, you have to click this and then click to apply and changes. Okay, close it. Next, weather mode standard by the supported. So click to start, type CMD and then right click to run as administrator, and then press and power CGF A/A and then hit enter. Okay, so you can see hybrid standard mode fast, it's disabled, so you have to enable it. Okay, so previously is enabled and after that you can see it's enable it. And last and very important for your system, so here click to start and type CMD, again right click to run as administrator. After that open this and copy this type this command sfc /scan now and then hit the enter. After that it will start the percentage. It will take some time, depend about your system configurations, and when it is completed 100%, then need to restart your system and then please check it and please comment me your issue resolved. Thank you.